Hello everyone and welcome back to the Jasper Report tutorial series. In our previous videos, we worked on creating reports, connecting them to a database, and improving the overall design. In this video, we are going to work on the summary band. So, as you know that the summary band is a section that appears only once at the end of the report. It is used to display final calculations, total values, or all report information. So you know that we connected reports with MySQL database and we designed employee list report using Jaspersoft Studio. Today we want to improve this report and we will add summary information in summary band. So let's get started. Okay friends, we have employee list report and here we have summary. At the summary section we don't have any information. We want to display the total employees. First let's compile this. So this is the first page of the report. Let's go to the last page. On the last page we don't have any summary information. We want to display the total employees here because the summary bands display at the end of the report. Let's switch back to the design mode. So what we want to do, we want to drag and drop text field. Simple drag and drop here. So let's add some style to this text box. Okay. Thereafter, we want to make content center on the page. Simple. We want to make bold as well. Then we want to add font size 14 pixels. Okay, everything is fine. We added text field. After that, let's find advanced. And here we have expression. Click on that. We will write a simple expression to count all the employees of this report. Simple we have, for example, $V and we have variable report count. And here you can concatenate static text as well. For example, total employees. Okay, sorry, we have an error. Okay, let's finish that. Let's save the changes. Then we want to compile the report. Let's go to the last page. As you can see, we have total employees 100. That is good. As you can see, here we used a simple expression. Let's open that. And we used the report count. The report count is a predefined variable in Jasper reports used to count each record one by one. So if you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.